today's biggest goal is going to be cleaning up this half of the shop. My plan is to put something on the floor. I really would like to get like garage, like race deck flooring, but to do just this space alone was like, I think it was almost over $2,000, and I'm like, that's not for me. If this was like my actual garage, it might be more worth it, but I'm just going to do something like this and the rest of the shop over here. So the first thing I have to do though, because this wood is so oil soaked and just porous and it just holds dirt, is I'm gonna put the thinnest layer of plywood down. I think it's like 2mm plywood or something like that. I don't know. I went and looked at it, and I'm just gonna put that down over the top of this, and we'll paint that so I have a fresh surface to start with. And then along the edges here, so there's not just like a fine lip, I'll sand it down so it's like, you'll never even know probably. Well, I'm sure you will, but I'll sand it down so you don't like trip over this little lip, and that should clean this place up a lot. And it should help with the lighting, because you want a light colored floor in a garage so it reflects the light back up underneath. So like I've been using a little light, everything I do in here, it's really dark, so especially coming the winter months when the door is closed, it gets really dark in here. So anything I can do to light it up without spending a bunch of money on lighting is a big help. And also having a floor will make it so much easier to clean things up, and it's just gonna make this a better place to be. And so first things first, get all this stuff together in one place, and I'm gonna pile it up on this side, and then go get some plywood and start with this half of the floor, and then I will, I don't know, I'm gonna have to shuffle everything around, because I can't use the space behind me here in case they have to get in this door. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so we got this place cleared out pretty good. I'm ready to go pick up some plywood. It started raining, so unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to paint anything, but I'm actually gonna just go get the plywood. And at least that'll be here so I can get started on that throughout the week. All right, so what I found was 5mm underlayment, which is like perfect, super cheap, and I'm gonna be able to cover the whole thing with a fresh layer of wood. Put some nice paint on that, it'll match the rest of the shop, it'll be bright over here, and we'll be on our way. Ooh, okay, bright and early Monday morning. It says it's 40 degrees, but it feels a lot colder than that this morning. I actually broke out the Milwaukee jacket, the Milwaukee heated jacket. I love this thing, and to be honest with you, I don't even use the heat on it, but it's just such a comfy and warm jacket that it's time. It's November 2nd, so I guess it's time. So heading to work this morning, and then hopefully after work I'll have the energy and motivation to finish up, or at least get the floor in the shop started. I'm definitely not going to finish it today now that I think about it, but if I can at least get like half of it laid down, or get all of it laid down, do the painting another time, that'd be great. All right, happy Monday. All right, it's officially 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna get started on laying some flooring. I filmed that last clip last night. We went and got the wood at least, and it was wet, so even if I did lay it down, I couldn't paint it anyway. Just gotta clear out the remaining stuff over here. I'm gonna start from the middle actually and work out, so that way the most wholesome boards are in the middle and I don't have to do as much cutting. Okay, so I want you to forget everything that I said yesterday. I didn't do any of that. I ended up clearing out this half of the shop and putting everything over there where I said I was gonna clear it. And then I laid down the boards this way from left to right. and I started with the rear. Started with these rears and then worked forward. I did a bunch of cutting, and now it's ready to screw them in. It's gonna look really nice in here. All right, so here we go. It's day, what is today? Wednesday, so I think it's day 3. Although, I don't know when I started this. I think it's day 3 now, but got a lot of progress done. We got, I would say, 3/4 of the place done. And now I'm gonna work on this wall. And this wall is gonna be a little bit annoying because I'm gonna have to cut every single piece and notch it out for all the stuff that's over there. Not a big deal, but it's gonna be time consuming. And then obviously I'm gonna have to move all this stuff to that side, and yeah, so I'm gonna start with here and then work forward. Okay, so hopefully this will be the last introduction I have to do in this video. It's a bright and sunny, warm Saturday morning. So why is this person running in the middle of the road? I'm gonna cut the last of the plywood for the flooring in the shop, and if all goes well, I'll be able to lay some paint down today, and hopefully this project will get wrapped up soon. And so I am going wheeling next weekend, so that's pretty exciting, and there's a couple things I would really like to wrap up on Alana here. She's running like a champ, which is great. I haven't really been driving it much, like at all. So that's really good. And I'm excited to get back into some Jeeping, some real deal Jeeping. All right, I'll see you when I get back to the shop. I'm gonna get to cutting these last few pieces. So the hardest one that we have to do is going to be this one. We actually messed it up, you can see. We missed that piece, and then there's a little strip in there, so I'm gonna redo that. We actually went and got the wood already. I'm gonna redo that. We got a piece over there, and then that should be it. I think there might be a little strip in the back, but that's no big deal to do. And then I have all the supplies. I have all the supplies I need for painting, so hopefully we can get that done today, and then I can go wrap up a project on the pop-up, come back here, clean this all up, and I can get the Jeep in here tomorrow to get it going for Roush. Okay. Okay, so it's now 2:30. The last clip I filmed today I think was at like maybe 9 o'clock in the morning. We've been working really hard. Got this place cleaned out. Rest of the floor is laid down. We've swept. Went ahead and sanded down this edge so it's a little bit of a ramp and you don't get like caught on it. So we're mixing up some paint. I'm gonna lay some paint down on here. Kit Kats. Okay, it's done. It's actually been quite a bit of time between actually finishing the floor and that last clip that I filmed, but we've been using it. It just looks so much better in here. It's much brighter, it's easier to sweep. It's a more friendly, inviting atmosphere to be in, and it came out really good. I can't say this type of flooring was the best decision, this really thin stuff, but it's a whole lot easier than having to rip everything up and put new 3/4 inch down. It's also by far the cheapest solution I found to doing the flooring, because I really want to do like race deck flooring or something like that, but just to do this space was like $2,500, and I'm like, that's ridiculous. Got a lot of projects to do in here. I have been filming a lot while these other projects are going on, so I have videos that are going to be waiting to go up. That way they can go up in a schedule, and it's not like once a month or once every couple months like I've been doing. But so that's good. So I don't know, we got some big Jeep projects coming on. You can see some things hiding over in the corner over there. But I'm gonna kind of reorganize the shop here and make it a better place to be, and we're gonna get some stuff done this winter, and it's gonna be fun. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
ISO, Indies. Yeah, live free, speak your peace. Stay humble in these streets, yeah.